Hey, my name is Vignesh.
My name is Krish.
My name is Harini and our other member is Shreya, and we are Circlize. Imagine peacefully enjoying lunch with your friends, and as you're about to finish eating, you notice the waiter coming around to place the bill on the table. Now you frantically try and figure out how you and your friends can equally split the bill. You spend the next 10 minutes using your iPhone calculator spinning the bill and find out that all of your friends have different forms of payment. Your friends decide to allow the person with the credit card to pay, and everyone else vows to pay them back eventually. You remember the tip and try to recalculate the bill all over again, and you ultimately waste 30 minutes trying to figure out this timely and annoying situation. Although the situation may seem exaggerated, this is a story of what happened to us and our friends when we went out to lunch one day. Not only was paying that single bill a struggle, but it also took a while to plan the outing in the first place. It was a hassle constantly asking who could make it, picking out where to go, deciding what to bring, and figuring out rides. There were numerous times in which we wanted to hang out somewhere as a group, but spent so much time stressing over it that sometimes the plan never made it out of the group chat. If this issue arises in our friend group constantly, it must mean that we aren't the only ones struggling to make plans outside of with our friends. Therefore, we have created an app to help friends, family, and acquaintances plan events and stay organized with ease.
Circlize is an app that helps friends, family, and acquaintances plan and organize events with ease. Users can create circles, similar to a group chat, to plan events via a shared calendar or organize information that members of the circle wish to share within the group. Within individual circles, users can add to-do lists, share schedules, and event planning details such as places of interest, people who can attend, and more. The app features a shared calendar that can sync with Google Calendar and other calendar services, and users can manually input data into a personal calendar to display everyone's personal events onto a shared calendar to indicate when they are busy. Users can pick which circles can see their personal calendar, and the app will also have a feature that can determine the days that an event can be held based on the parameters that the event creator inputs. The app also includes a payment option from the app itself to make splitting bills efficient. Users are provided with a Circlize online or physical card that can be used when attending events that require split bills. The card can be used at any place that allows customers to use a credit card. This will allow costs to be split by members of the circle at a later point via the app itself to save time during the actual event. The app can also itemize a bill so that people can split the cost evenly or only pay for what they bought. Circlize offers two types of premium subscriptions that enhance the user's experience but does not take away from a free user's experience. On the individual level, users can purchase a premium subscription that grants them numerous customizational features. On the group level, users can supercharge their circles, which would grant the specific circle extra features. Overall, Circlize combines the efficiency of organizational apps like Notion with the ability to interact with other people that many social media platforms offer, focused on convenience and productivity.
Hello, my name is Shreya and I'll be talking about our target demographic. Our target demographic is teens and young adults. Nowadays, a lot of teens and young adults make plans with their friends, and it would be convenient for them to have a dedicated app in which they can make plans and keep track of things with minimized stress. With many teens and young adults having to balance their lives while going to school, the app lets them put in their busy schedules into a calendar, and the app will reveal days and times a friend group can make plans. Roommates can also make collaborative to-do lists to make sure stuff gets done, and of course, plan events and notify one another when they'll be out and about. In addition, a personal profile page allows people to list things they like, birthdays and interests, so friends and other people can view it for times in which they forgot that sort of information. Families with children that have devices and colleagues can also use the app. With busy families in which everyone has their own schedule, such as one child having a birthday meetup at the mall to go to, another having basketball practice, and a parent going out with friends to watch that football game at a sports bar. The app will allow parents to keep track of it all in one place and allows teens to input plans with friends and extracurricular activities without the parent constantly having to ask them. Tour lists can be created, and times in which the entire family is free can be deduced at a click of a button. We'll be talking about our competition and how we're different. In terms of our competition, there are many apps that have similar features, such as Venmo, Zelle, and Notion. In terms of bill splitting, apps like Venmo or Zelle are our competitors. For example, one person would pay and everyone would Venmo them back later. With our app, we pay for the bill and the users pay us back later. They can easily split up the bill through the app, either by percent or by item, and pay us back later when they are ready, within a certain time frame, of course. In comparison to Notion and other organizational apps, we have similar features such as calendars and to-do lists, but the way we differ is by the ease of use with other users, such as friends and family. Our app is made for collaboration, and we will set up out-of-the-box things such as sharing and planning events.
For any businesses, money is crucial, but we don't want to disrupt the user experience with in-app purchases, ads, or confusing instructions. To solve this, we have offered two premium subscriptions that enhance the user's experience without detracting from the free version. Individuals can buy a premium subscription which grants them access to multiple customization features like profile customization, large file uploads, app customization options, and ability to join up to 10 circles instead of the default 4. Alternatively, users can supercharge their circles at the group level by paying a Circlize credit card, or splitting the payment among members. A supercharged circle will gain extra features such as the ability to have up to 25 users instead of the default 8, private messaging, and increased credit card limit, digital stickers, and the ability to host more events at the same time. There will be additional costs, including a 2.5% fee for any transactions over $75, 1% for supercharged circles. If a circle fails to pay, we will automatically deduct the bank account, add late fees, and eventually sell the debt to a collection agency.